This recipe is fantastic. Cut the chicken breast lengthwise to make pockets in the middle. Season with salt, black pepper, sprinkle with sweet paprika. Grate the cheese on the large grater and put it in a bowl. Crack 1 egg. Add sour cream. Finely chop a few sprigs of dill and put them in the bowl. Mix all the ingredients. Put the filling into the pockets in the chicken breast. Wrap the stuffed chicken breast with bacon slices. Place the bacon-wrapped chicken breast on the baking tray and bake for 30 minutes. Put unpeeled potatoes in the pot with water and boil for 15 minutes. Remove the pot from the heat. Cut the boiled potatoes into pieces and put them in a bowl. Add butter and mash the potatoes into a puree. Add cream cheese. Crush the garlic. Season with salt and black pepper. Mix the puree. Chicken breast cooked this way turns out tender and juicy, not dry at all. It goes just as well with any side dish, salad, or delicious sauce.